Welcome back to the LG stand at IFA 2010. In an unusual step, I'm going to hand the microphone over to Neil here, who's going to take us through content on the TVs. Now, this is an area which a lot of forum members have been talking about, the netcast features and so on, and a lack of content. But Neil, you're going to explain a little bit more about this. So, what's the system that we're looking at, and maybe you can take us through a demonstration.
Okay. Hi. Okay. So I'm Neil Robinson from LG Electronics, and I'm going to talk a little bit today about our netcast media link and the collaboration that we've been doing recently with a company called Plex. So we recognized that the most important thing about broadband connected TVs is content, and we've been working with a company called Plex, as I said, for about the last year. And the key technology that Plex has is the ability to go to a website, pull out the important information and display it on a TV. So if I go to movies here, this is what we had is installed on the PC behind me is the Plex software and some local content, in this case movie files. Now DLNA already allows us to play the movie files from a PC to a TV, but we're actually able here to get significantly nicer looking user interface with things like background art, thumbnails of the actual video itself, data about the movie, the director, the cast, and we're using in this case Wikipedia to do that. And the Plex technology has gone to the Wikipedia website and the MovieDB website. It's pulled the information from that website, and we've been able to create a nice UI with that. And we can do the same thing for TV shows as well. But using the same technology, we can also go to a website that had some video content and use the same technology to pull the relevant information, which in this case is video files, and display them again on the TV. If I click here, you can see just some of the video providers that we've got shown here. And of course, AV Forums is in fact one of them. So when I click this, the software running on the PC is actually going to the AV Forums website. When I click this section here, it goes to the website, gets a list of all of the different videos that are available. It puts a short bit of information there, and if I click on here, I'd be able to play that video. Now this is an early demo version, and we're working on different file format support right now. And the AV Forums video files won't play here, but they will before launch. To actually demo one that does work, if I go to Empora, that's an action sports website. I like snowboarding, so I'll click here, and high definition. And these video files will play directly from the website as though we were looking at them on our PC. So that in this case, the TV is behaving almost like a simplified browser version. Now the second important thing is that Plex is an open platform, and that means that if you know of a website that has some video content, you can write a plugin using the Python programming language. It's just a simple file which tells the software where to go to get that content, how to take that relevant content from the web page, and then you'll be able to add additional content providers to the Plex service. When that happens, LG is also using the same Plex technology in our netcast server. So we don't expect mass market consumers to necessarily use a PC connected to the TV, but the open community who make that decision to connect the PC, they can get the added benefit of the freedom of a completely open platform. But by writing plugins for content providers, we can also feed the mass market broadband platform, which we call netcast, and thereby add many, many content providers than we would be able to do on our own.